How to invest in the metaverse, a step-by-step guide. Several real estate deals this year worth millions of dollars have put the word metaverse at the tip of our tongues. The metaverse is a virtual world that users can explore using personalized avatars. It extends beyond gaming and allows visitors to interact virtually and experience various activities in real time. Experts believe the metaverse now represents a unique $1 trillion revenue opportunity. How to invest in metaverse? There are 3 ways in which you can directly invest in the metaverse. 1. Purchase metaverse tokens. 2. Buy in-game non-fungible tokens, NFTs. 3. Purchase virtual land in the metaverse, also sold as NFTs. Let's dive into how you can invest in the metaverse with 2 easy steps. Step 1. Create a crypto wallet, common for all. Every purchase, just like physical commodities, requires a wallet full of money. You need to create a crypto wallet and load it with currency for investments in the metaverse. For purchase of metaverse tokens, WagerX, CoinDCX, and CoinSwitch Kuber are the most popular options in India. For NFT purchases, the most popular crypto wallet globally is MetaMask. Coinbase and Binance are also good options. Most NFTs are Ethereum-based, so it's best to purchase the Ether, ETH, cryptocurrency with your traditional currency. Verify your identity to validate your wallet by completing Know Your Customer, KYC, formalities. Step 2. Open an account on the platform of your choice. Purchase metaverse tokens. The easiest way to procure these tokens is to head to crypto exchanges like WagerX or CoinDCX and use your currency-loaded wallet to purchase the tokens directly. Among the most sought-after metaverse tokens are the Mana, the native currency of the Decentraland metaverse, SAN, the currency of Sandbox metaverse, and the AXS, the native currency of the Axie Infinity metaverse. Buy in-game NFTs/own virtual land. You will need to create an account with the game you wish to make purchases in and connect your crypto wallet with their account. For example, log on to Decentraland for virtual real estate, Axie Infinity for characters and land plots, Sandbox to buy/sell artistic creations, etc. You can create an account with OpenSea if you wish to access all the NFTs in one shared marketplace for convenience. Step 3. Select the NFT you wish to purchase and make the payment. One must bid for it and beat all other bidders to gain ownership of the NFT. Paying for the NFT is then quickly processed through the wallet you created and filled with cryptocurrency in Step 1. You must remember that there are upsides and downsides to buying from a primary marketplace, Decentraland, Axie Infinity, Sandbox, etc., and the secondary marketplace, OpenSea, etc. An NFT on the primary marketplace will inevitably have a higher resale value. However, it is harder to estimate its true value in the primary marketplace. It is because you can compare the price of one NFT against that of others on the secondary marketplace that displays all NFTs on one common platform. Investing in metaverse indirectly. You can also invest in the metaverse through these indirect ways. Buy metaverse-associated stocks. Stocks of organizations actively involved in the development of the metaverse are metaverse-associated stocks. The organizations could be engaged in virtual reality, VR, goggles production, networking technologies, 3D rendering applications, etc. The most popular stock options include Apple, Facebook, Nvidia, Roblox, and Unity. These stocks can be purchased through brokerages or metaverse ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Invest in Metaverse Index, MVI, like stock market indices that capture the trends of the top-performing companies in the nation. The Metaverse Index captures the trends in entertainment, business, and gaming that are moving to the virtual universe. It is currently trading at $225.86. The MVI reduces the risk involved in purchasing metaverse tokens as the volatility is significantly diminished. The MVI encompasses the trends of all the top-performing metaverse tokens in existence. The metaverse is continuously evolving, and many developments are still in the pipeline. We are witnessing a massive transition from the physical world to the virtual world. While the potential is vast, it is advisable to thoroughly research before making any significant investments.